In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Easyparcel with Shopify. If you're running an online store, you'll want a seamless way to manage shipping and deliveries, and Easyparcel can provide exactly that. It's a great tool to optimize your shipping process, especially for e-commerce businesses looking to streamline their operations and improve customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the steps to get Easyparcel up and running with your Shopify store. First, head over to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is your go-to place for finding helpful applications that enhance your store's capabilities. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top to type in Easyparcel Delivery Made Easy. This app offers a convenient solution for handling your shipments, making the delivery process more efficient and customizable to suit your needs. After searching, you should see the Easyparcel app pop up in the results. Click on it to navigate to the app's detailed page. This will give you some more information about the features Easyparcel offers, such as automated order collection, automated tracking updates, and the ability to compare courier rates. It's always good to have a quick look at these features to ensure that the app suits your requirements before proceeding. Once you're ready, you'll want to click the Add App button. This will initiate the installation process on your Shopify store. Following this, you'll be prompted with some instructions to finalize the installation. You'll need to follow each prompt carefully, as these steps ensure that the app integrates smoothly with your store. During the installation process, Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions. This is a standard procedure that allows the app to access certain aspects of your store, like managing orders and viewing products. Be sure to grant the necessary permissions so that Easyparcel functions correctly. Once your installation is complete, Easyparcel should now be accessible in your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, you can start exploring all the features that Easyparcel offers. It's a good idea to dedicate some time to familiarize yourself with the different settings and options available. You'll want to set up your courier accounts, price settings, and delivery areas, depending on where your business operates and your shipping needs. In summary, integrating Easyparcel with your Shopify store is a fairly straightforward process. By following these steps, you should be able to efficiently manage your store's shipping needs, saving you time and possibly reducing shipping costs. I hope that with Easyparcel, shipping becomes the simplest part of running your online store. Thanks for following along, and feel free to reach out with any questions about getting Easyparcel fully set up.